side plank with your clamshell. So we're gonna do both together. You're gonna inhale here, exhale as you press your hips up. You're going to also press that top knee up at the same time to connect that glute and connect your obliques on the bottom. You're then gonna inhale as you slowly sit back down with control. As you press up, be thoughtful that your hips and your shoulders are not rolling back, that they're staying nice and stacked throughout the movement as you lift and as you lower. Right. Bear plank with the leg reach. You're going to exhale, connect your core, press up. Now as you hold here, you're going to extend one leg out, touch the toes down. Exhale, pull the knee back into your plank position here. Exhale, alternate, reach the other leg out. Draw it back in, making sure that your spine is staying long throughout, that your hips are not twisting as you extend that leg out, and you are continuously breathing, exhaling as you reach out. Inhale to hold, exhale, pull the leg back in. Bridge march, you're gonna start with your feet hip distance apart. You're gonna inhale here, exhale to bridge up, and then you're going to march as you exhale, bringing one leg up, tap it back down, exhale, march it back down. Being thoughtful that your pelvis here as you march up is not dipping and lowering down, so keep that pelvis level and parallel throughout as you march one leg at a time. And then you'll lower back down. Hammer curl to overhead press. I'm going to turn to the side so you can see my legs in a split stance. So again, that's one leg slightly in front of the other, just to give me a nice base of support to keep my rib cage stacked right over my pelvis. I'm going to bicep curl and then overhead press straight up, and then inhale, one nice long breath to bring the arms down. So again, exhale to come up, inhale to slowly come down. Something to be thoughtful of as you bicep curl and go to overhead press, that we don't jut the head forward and the arms back in order to do that. We want to stay stacked so that we're nice and stable all the way through and keeping our core connected. If that head and rib cage jut forward, then I'm losing some of the power of my core, and I'm depending on my back in order to get those arms overhead. So again, keep that weight in your heels, keep that tailbone long as you bicep curl, and then go to power straight up overhead. As you come back down, you'll lower the arms to return. Lateral to front raises. You're gonna start with your feet in that shoulder distance apart position. Also, feel free to take that option of a split stance if that feels more comfortable for you. You're gonna keep that head stacked right over your rib cage, over the pelvis, over the heels. You're gonna inhale as you press the arms up to shoulder height, being sure that we're not shrugging the shoulders in the process. And then close the arms to front, slowly lower back down. So again, palms face in as you press up, close the thumbs towards center, lower all the way down. So again, with the breath, we inhale, exhale, and lower. Inhale, exhale, lower. If you notice that your body wants to shift a lot back and forth as you do this motion, I would recommend then taking that more split stance until you have a little bit more core connection to give you that stability to be able to do it in that parallel stance position.